Okay, good morning. Today you're gonna go and trim down the edges so that both the front and the back sides line up. Okay, if one is too wide, take the wide one of the two, like this one, for example. The J part of the J is a little bit larger, so I'm gonna trim that down. Okay, once you trim down the letters, okay, you're gonna need to cut down 6 strips of these. Because these are going to be the outside edge of the letter. And what's really important is for have these strips to be all the same height, okay? Because if you have one that's 2 inches, one is 1.5 inches, or one is 1.25 inches, okay, it's going to be hard for you to glue down the outside because they will not fit, okay? So once again, by today, you should have 2 letters. You should have 2 letters cut out. Okay, 2 letters cut out. Okay, one's going to be the top, and one's going to be the bottom. And after you're done with that, cut down about 5 to 6 strips of these. Okay, so that you can use these as the outside edges of the letter. Okay, once you're done with both the outside edge, which is the depth of your letter, you're going to go ahead and find a hot glue gun or Elmer's glue, or you can even use masking tape. Remember, what's really important right now is for you to have access to these materials so that we can then begin the next stage of your project.